it snow, let it snow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying a different curly hairstyle for a week. Before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and also hit the bell notification because I will be posting all of Vlogmas. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Today is day one of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week, and if you are new to my channel, then you have not watched my previous trying a different curly hairstyle for a week. And I'm going to card it right here. I'm also going to leave it linked down below in the description box. So the hairstyle that I am going to be attempting to try today is this hairstyle. She has 2 twists in the front, 2 buns, and then the rest is out. So guys, I'm going to start by parting my hair down the middle. It's already parted from the previous hairstyle that I had. Then I'm just going to part 2 slim triangular sections. Now we're going to take our comb and part it this way. And we're going to go ahead and work on this back part. So I'm going to section this off into 2 big sections. And then we're going to take our product and define it. Alright, so as you guys can see, my hair is super defined. And we're ready to go and make our bun. So with each section of our bun, we're just going to take some texture ID or take your product and just rub it through. Make sure they're even, and then we're going to take this out and separate it, put texture ID on it. So I totally like it like this. I think it's so cute, but it calls for a bun. So we're just going to take it and lightly twist it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. The twists are super cute and the buns, they're perfect. But if you guys enjoyed day 1 of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week, please stay tuned for day 2 and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is day 2 of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week, and the hairstyle that I will be trying today is this one. It's super simple and super easy to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that really quick. So I'm starting off by taking my hair out of the bun, and I'm just going to take my edge toothbrush and part down the middle. Once you have your part, you're going to section off one side, and then just put water on your edges. And then we're going to part a little part here. You want to take a rubber band and secure it. Take your parting tool and make another triangle. And then take your first ponytail and pull it to the second. And then you're just going to take it and pull it up. Take your bigger scrunchie and put it in a bun. And we're just going to repeat the same process to this side. and this is the completed look. If you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in day 3 of doing a different curly hairstyle for a week. Hi guys, welcome back to day 3 of trying a different curly hairstyle for a whole week, and today's hairstyle is going to be this one. And I'm just going to replace the little butterfly clips with colored rubber bands. So I'm just going to take my hair out and part it down the middle. And then once you have your part down the middle, you then want to part it on both sides. Now we're just going to work on the back section and go ahead and get that taken care of. And I'm just going to go in with Aussie Mega Moist Conditioner. And then we're going to unclip the first side and then drench it with some water. And then part it into 3 sections. And we're just going to start with this first section here. Go in with some product. And then you want to just twist. And repeat the same thing. Okay, so this is the first side and how it looks. We're just going to go ahead and lay our edges. And we're just going to repeat the same process to this side. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's super cute. And you can see I have my neon green on this side and then my purple on this side, and the twists are also very cute along with the edges. But hold on, if you have made it to day 3 of trying a different hairstyle for a week and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in day 4 of trying a different hairstyle for a week. Hi guys, welcome back to day 4 of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week. And today I'm going to be attempting to do this hairstyle. But before I get into that, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because it costs you nothing, but it helps me grow as a small YouTuber. So let's get into doing this hairstyle. I went ahead and washed my hair while I was in the shower, and it's a little bit dry now, and I'm going to start by parting down the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and part 2 very small sections in the front here. So next you want to take your parting tool and you want to just create 2 huge triangles. And then we're just going to work with this back section. Then we're going to unclip one side, and before we go in and braid, we're going to lay our edges. And now we're just going to take our hair and begin to cornrow. Once you cornrow a little bit, you then want to just braid the rest of the hair down. This is how it's looking so far. We're just gonna go ahead and do this piece as well. Alright guys, so this is how one side of the hair is looking. You have your braid and then the rest of your hair out. And I think it looks super cute. So now we're just gonna do the same to this side. Alright guys, so this is the completed hairstyle. As you can see, the two braids. One side wants to stay higher than the other, but this is the completed look. This is the back side and the other side. If you guys are still enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you have not already. And stay tuned for day 5, the last and final day of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week. Hi guys, welcome back to day 5 of trying a different curly hairstyle for a week. Today is the last day of trying a different curly hairstyle. So I'm going to be trying to do this hairstyle. And this is the up close of her rubber bands and everything. So I'm going to be attempting to do this hairstyle today. Before I get into this hairstyle, if you have not hit that subscribe button or that like button yet, go ahead and hit both of those right now and then come back and continue watching. So I'm going to start off with my parting tool. So take your water bottle and your product. So once you get the back tamed, we're going to go ahead and lay those edges. And now we're just going to take out this top section and begin working on that. Alright guys, so once you get this completely moisturized, you want to go ahead and begin making your parts. So she had one part on this side. So we're just going to part a small section there and a small section. And then once you get it parted, you're going to pin back the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it up in a ponytail because it is hard to not get my hair caught in the rubber band. Split it into 2, and then she put a rubber band on this first section. And then you just pull it to the second section. And then make your next section. It's like a small part. And then this one is the one that you twist. And then we're going to start on the other side. Split it into 2 sections. And then part your other section and twist. And now it's time to do the middle part. And it's just 3 areas. So now take your first section and put a rubber band on it. You're going to gather each section into the other section. Alright guys, so now the top part is complete. We're going to take out our back section. Okay, and then this is how it looks out. And we're just going to lay our edges in the front. So this is the completed look. When it dries, it'll probably have more of a shape, but right now it's just kind of like you have to play around with it. If you guys have made it to the end of this video and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting for the rest of Vlogmas like I state in every video. Go ahead and also give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to read the description box down below because there's going to be a bunch of things that you do not want to miss. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!